Hello friends, I'm Rovena. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. Today I'm back with another new recipe using Rovena's chicken Sukka masala, that is raw banana Sukka. Come, let's do it. I have taken two raw bananas. These are used only for cooking. Now I will peel them and cut it lengthwise. I have cut the raw bananas and soaked them in water so that they don't turn black. Now I will cook them. Add very little water sufficient to cook the bananas. I will add a teaspoon of salt. Add little bit of tamarind water. Mix it well and let it cook. While the bananas are getting cooked, I will make ready the masala. So first I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. I have used coconut oil. The oil is heated. I will add 1 teaspoon of mustard, few curry leaves and about 7 to 8 garlic cloves. Fry it well. I love the aroma of the garlic. Fry till the garlic turns slightly brown. Now we can see the garlics are getting browned. So I will add 2 onions. I always prefer to add more onions and tomatoes in my masala as the dish will turn out to be taste very good. Fry the onions well and then we will add the tomatoes. Add a little bit of salt. Adding salt to the while frying onions helps in cooking faster. But also you have to remember that we have already added salt to the bananas which are getting cooked. I will add 2 tomatoes. I have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes. So if you have big tomato, you can add only 1. Fry everything well. The onions and tomatoes have turned soft. Now I will add 1.5 tablespoon of Rovena's chicken Sukka powder. Let the masala and the powder fry well for 1 or 2 minutes. The masala and the powder is incorporated well. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of jaggery. So adding jaggery doesn't make the dish sweet, but it gives a very unique taste. This is a secret ingredient in most of the yummy dishes. I'm adding 1 cup of coconut. I like to add more coconut in my dishes. I like to have it coconutty, so I've added more coconut. So you can reduce the coconut, or if you want to add more, you can add more. Here I've added about 1 cup of coconut. You can see here the bananas are well cooked. I will add the cooked bananas along with the water and mix it with the masala. Carefully mix the masalas so that the bananas don't get break. Let the bananas cook in the masala for about 2 minutes. You can check for salt and the powder. If you need more salt, add more salt. If you need more masala, you can add more masala. 2 minutes done. So I will off the flame now. The bananas are very well mixed up with the masala. I will just swirl it once or twice because spooning it, the bananas may break. Wow, I can feel the aroma of the masala powder. The dish is completely ready. I just can't wait to have it with the steamed rice. My masala powders do not contain any kind of artificial colors or preservatives. They are 100% natural, homemade with premium spices. The Rovena masala products are available online and can be delivered all over India. For buying, the link is mentioned in the description box. Thank you.